Check out this Buick 2021 Encore GX Select. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 1SD, 5.45 final drive axle ratio, 18 machined aluminum wheels, 18 aluminum wheels, cloth with leatherette seat trim, ride and handling suspension, radio, 8 diagonal Buick infotainment system, cargo liner, LPO, and sport touring package. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.